The National Works Agency NWA says it will be going after the insurance of unruly motorists who destroy critical infrastructure. The stance comes following concerns that safety devices which were recently installed continue to be destroyed. Details in this report.
If you've been in Kingston and St. Andrew in recent weeks, then you've probably seen scores of these instruments at several major intersections across the area. But what are they? These candlesticks or delineators were installed in front median strips by the National Works Agency recently to provide protection and visibility for motorists. Stephen Shaw is Communications Manager at the National Works Agency.
We have put in these safety devices with a view to alerting the motorists when they are traversing these corridors at night that, look, there's an impediment here. And we hope that in doing so, we would have saved some of these persons from themselves and certainly be able to prevent property damage, both for the government and for persons who would have caused damage to their motor vehicles.
It's not the first time the devices have been installed by the NWA. In fact, they're often destroyed by unruly motorists. Take a look at these candlesticks along Constant Spring Road near Oakland's apartment. Mere weeks after being installed, they've been destroyed. We have learned that the police will be ramping up enforcement. The NWA, on the other hand, will be going after those responsible for destroying the infrastructure.
Where it is that persons willfully knock over or knock down these candlesticks and we get the information from the public, we certainly act. And acting in this way means we go for their insurance and we seek to get compensated or reimbursed from their insurance companies for the damage that they would have caused to the road infrastructure.
In 2024, the country recorded 364 road fatalities, representing a 14% reduction. The National Road Safety Council has been on a drive to build on those gains for 2025. Mr. Shaw says the NWA is seeking to play its part through various initiatives.
Safety being a key part of our undertaking, we have embarked on this particular thrust to try and make a significant difference where safety and traffic accidents are concerned, certainly in these spaces.